me, Mila Rose. I'm back. Guess what, y'all? Guess what? Time for paycheck number 2. We're going to do our budget. We're going to figure out where our money's going. We're going to fix some things because I wrote stuff in there that I'm not keeping. So if you like videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in a minute. Okay, y'all already know what it is. We starting out with envelopes. They get 300. Charter gets, NTTA gets $5, which I actually had to use this. I'm so glad I set this money aside because I went on my little trip, so I had to use that money. Charter gets, I believe, 180. No, Charter gets 80. Traveler, that's not right. Oh, no, Charter gets 80. I forgot what a Charter was. Okay, Travelers gets 20. Geico gets 180. T-Mobile gets 130. June gets $11. Netflix gets 16. Netflix gets $16. Metro gets 60. Travel gets 25. Praise him for that. 25 for travel. Business gets 85. Savings gets 167. House gets 330 this time. Long-term savings is getting zilch right now. Debt gets 164. And cushion is getting $10. That's it for the budget, y'all. It did stay pretty much the same, even though I really need to change it. But that's for the budget. That evens us out. We pulled out some things. So as you can see, we got the $5 for the NTTA. So let's go ahead and put that up. And we've got, I'm going to pull y'all back out. We've got envelopes for that. I think it is, we got some of these we got to use too. Not health though. Not this time. None for health. NTTA. There we go. NTTA. So NTTA has, as you can see, it's going to be up to 15 now. And I'm telling y'all, I'm so happy I set aside that money for NTTA. Because one, it meant I didn't have to have that super high $40 where it auto renews every month. But it also meant when I actually needed the $40, I had it. So that was great. Okay, so we pulled out that one. The only other one that's in cash is business is 85. But I stopped actually pulling out the full 85 and I just pulled out the 55 that it actually needs in cash because the other 30 goes into an account. So we have 55 that we pulled out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. Put that to the side to go into our business. That one's done. The only other one that actually gets pulled out is debt, which is 164. And so that is 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. 64. 164. So now we get to add that to, I think, what did we have? $3 maybe? Yeah, $3. So we're up to 167 to go into the account for debt. So yay! That's all done. Now, since this is still a short video, we're moving real quickly. Let's go ahead and pull out put some of the money that we pulled out for other things. So got some overtime this month. So that means we have some to go for the hair and some to go for the school loans. So that's 25 for hair. Y'all, I don't know what I'm going to do once I no longer get this extra money. I'm going to have to rework my whole budget. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 15, 20, 25. And now we're adding more tens. And I actually get to go get my hair done at it's June something. June 3rd, maybe June 4th. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 135, 40, 45, 50, 150. Yay. Let's put that up. I need to make sure I have enough for my hair. I'll reevaluate that in a moment. We're putting 25 towards our school loans. So here we go. So that's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 130, 100, or 140, 150, 155, 156, 56, 57, 58. And another 25. Do I have more in here than I do in the hair one? I think I might put more in here though during closeout or something. I don't know. I think I put some in here when I do my closeout for the my envelope. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155, 150, 160, 61, 62, 63. I hope I added that up right. If I didn't, honestly, it's okay. So let's go ahead and put that one up. Woohoo! And then I don't think I have any of these to update. I guess I probably do. And then we have, who else gets a little bit of changling? Oh, I'm actually pulling out now 25 for taxes because y'all, every year it never fails. I have to end up paying something in taxes. And so as to never get caught again, I just started putting money aside. Do I still have money in here? Why do I still have money in here? In taxes? I guess I wanted to get a head start. So we have 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Adding another 25. And I'll probably need to change this, but I'll probably change it once I actually stop getting overtime. But for now, and I think I'm only going to save like 300. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. $58 towards taxes. We're only going for 300. And there we go. So taxes is done. And I think that's honestly everything. Yep, that's everything. Okay. So our paycheck 2 for May is all done and budgeted and ready to go. This is really quick. I feel like it's never this fast. Honestly makes me feel a little strange, but I'm perfectly okay with that. I have a couple of little dollars left over. I have to figure out where those are supposed to go. But other than that, we should be good. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day. I will see you later. Go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to this channel for more videos about designing a life that you love. Have a great one. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.